Sable Control. Need a status update on Gramercy.
Checkpoint secure. Free fire zone established.
Sorry, forgot my ID. How about I prove who I am by kicking your butt? Sable's after me now, too. As if I didn't have enough to worry about. So is attacking me part of an insanity defense, or what?
Sable Control. What's our situation in Nomad?
They try to kill me, and then they look so surprised when I beat them up. Okay. I know the city's a mess, but this is not how you re-assimilate into society!
Get back! One headshot in it!
Now, was that really worth all the fuss? Well, for me it kinda was. To fight another day. Hey, if you want to go back to jail that bad, how can I refuse? Happy to sign autographs, but no selfies.
Here you go!
Nice thing about staying in the jumpsuits, you don't have to change clothes.
What's the situation in Bryant?
A group of civilian agitators has been detained. Keep an eye on charges in the
Should have trusted Sable. She's crossed a line. Magnifique.
Your match, Spider-Man.
Nailed it.
All units, we have officers pinned down by snipers. Incident is
Mashed
active near
up
Grand
peace.
Central.
More and more listeners are warning that the mayor's Sable agents, ostensibly here to protect us, are...
I need to take him down fast. So close to perfection.
We've got a 10-10, possible narcotics sale. Please proceed to Columbia.
Wouldn't be New York without a seedy drug deal. Gotta be honest, not a fan of Big Pharma. Especially back alley Big Pharma. Nothing puts a pep in my step like halting an illegal drug deal. Cops are coming.
He's here! Engage, engage!
Hey, does this turn into a robot? Okay, just how big is Sable International's HR department?
All units, escaped prisoners are seized in transit.
So
Report
it's a
team
gaggle
in
of
from
geese,
Morningside
a murder of
Heights.
crows.
Over.
Is it a cell block of prisoners? Did I get that right? Hostage situation. Hey, does this bus go by the Statue of Liberty?
Spider-Man! Going down!
city's turning into a playground for crazy people. Even... Okay, have you considered that if you arrest me, you'll have to fight all the bad guys yourself? Huh?
All units, 1051. Prisoners and vehicles are causing a major
Hold up.
disturbance.
That
Available
makes it,
officers,
what,
move in on Manhattan
100 counts of assaulting a Sable agent?
The mass breakout at Rikers Island, which camera footage clearly shows Spider-Man involved. Has spilled countless hardened criminals.
Pick on someone your own size, Rhino.
There is no one my size, Hulk.
Or maybe we could just talk it out. Rhino, what's with the team up? Thought you were a loner.
Means and ends, Hulk. All of life is means and ends.
So what's the end for these particular means?
Freedom! True freedom! No more shoot! No more rifle!
Okay, Rhino. Let's wrap this up.
Never send an 8-ton infant to do a man's job. Let's finish this.
Oh, Scorps, love you, but you do know it's rude to cut in, right?
What were you gonna do if I didn't show up? Beg him to give up?
Yes, Gargan, that is exactly what I would have done.
Ah, like an old married couple, you two.
Get off, you ignoramus!
Please, stop.
So you guys in Octavius, huh? You have a name yet? The Scary Six? The Dirty Half Dozen?
How about we murdered Spider-Man and used his corpse for a break?
Hey, Gargan, please, you embarrass yourself.
Stop blocking my aim!
Stop aiming right at me.
Get him, you idiot!
Get him? Calm down and help, Brock.
Guys, please! There's plenty of you to go around.
Gargan, what are you
Rhino's getting his suit removed. What did Octavius promise you, Scorpion?
Money. Gargan has no principle. He fights for profit.
Untrue! I'd rip Spider-Man's face off for free! The money's the Get me out of here!
Be a man, Gargan. Free yourself. Move it, Gargan. We failed because of you, Gargan. You will know the pain this suit can cause.
Try I'll just pull you out of the suit myself. Peace.
Starting to feel like I don't even need to be here. You guys want to sort this out yourselves?
Move it, Duncan!
You're like an 800-pound infant!
Synthetic Gargan! I will squash bug myself!
We could just stop now, you know. I won't tell anybody.
And leave your skull uncrushed? There is fun in that! Come here, Ouch! I will teach you to throw real punch!
My jaw's already absorbed that particular lesson. Thanks. Didn't I hear you took a poetry class in the raft? Like a therapy thing?
Now, here is Link. Along came Spider. I sat down beside him, then crushed his tiny body to bits.
That's so good!
Do you know what Octavius will do if he finds out you failed?
I failed?
Yes, you freak show!
A little forced together time might help you boys learn to play nice. All right, Yuri, that's 4 down. Just Octavius and Lee left.
Something tells me they won't be as easy. They're only half our problem, though. Devil's Breath cases are getting worse, and Oscorp is being coy about an anti-serum. I'm worried they're seeing dollar signs in a seller's market.
I'd expect nothing less from our beloved mayor. Leave Devil's Breath to me. One of my best people is on it.
Pete, hey. I've been through the city, state, and federal databases. If this Devil's Breath lab does exist...
Sleep it off. I literally didn't see that coming.
Could use a coffee. Really use a coffee. It's happening. Can someone check out SA-99? I'm on it. What's that? Could really use a coffee. Continuing sector sweep.
Nighty-night. That's all of them. Let's find out what they were up to. Captain, these Sable guys look like they forced all the residents out of a building so they could occupy it themselves. And locked up the ones who objected.
Okay, that I can get something done about. But I need victims to come forward.
I'll get the people out and have them file reports with the police.
Positive ID on Spider-Man. Fire at will.
So, when you were little, did you say, I'm gonna grow up and be a fascist oppressor? Yeah, you probably did.
Keep fighting. I'm on him. Dangerous in the air. Flaps. We gotta get him on the ground. Get a medic in here.
Hey, reinforcements! Now it's a party!
What the hell just happened? Submit now! Clear the area! Engage! Watch out! Watch my back! Watch it! It's in the air! Get behind him! Tossing grenade! Watch it! More dangerous in the air! Stay clear! Bring him down!
More? You guys realize there are actual criminals out there, right?
Like, what the hell just happened?
Spider-Man, I confirmed your suspicions. People displaced from the residences are staying in shelters or on the street.
I know what it's like not to have anywhere to stay. It's a good thing these Sable agents have body armor, because I just might lose my temper.
Look alive, he's airborne! Get him on the ground! Target is Don't go down!
Hey, Sable agents! Help! I'm being attacked by Sable agents! Oh, wait a minute!
Get behind him! Down and eat, you dead! Bring him down! Man down!
private security. You guys aren't very private.
Get him on the ground! Moving in. Tango is active. We need backup. We got a man down. Can't beat us all. Get him on the ground. Damn it! What did he just do? Watch out! I like him. Using his blitz. Get the cover.
Well, that was educational.
Thank you!
Captain, the people that were locked up are headed back to their homes.
Good. And I finally convinced the mayor's office that making constituents homeless was not good for his poll numbers, so they won't be pulling that stunt again. Pete, hey. I've been through the city, state, and federal databases. If this Devil's Breath lab does exist, it's off the books. The only other place I can think to look is in Norman's personal files.
I've already been through his office computer. Are you thinking his penthouse? That building's full of Sable's men. If they spot me, other residents could get hurt in a firefight.
I know, but I might be able to get in undetected. I can sneak in, find the lab's location, and get out. If anything goes wrong, I'll call you for backup.
Okay. It's risky, but we need that location. Wait for me to get nearby, then make your move.
I'll be ready.
Electro trying to destroy our power grid. The Vulture raining death from above. Spider-Man egging them both on in the very heart of our city, brawling like children. Lethal children, pitching a tantrum of
Boring
death
now.
and destruction. I'm often asked, why do menaces like this end up with awesome powers? Why not someone...
Hi! I'm your parole officer. You're doing it wrong. You're in timeout.
It's on now! Keep him on the ground!
gonna be honest. So it's a gaggle of geese, a murder of crows. Is it a cell block of prisoners? Did I get that right?
Carnegie Hall. Control, APC echoes in pursuit action. This is Control. What's the status in Vanderbilt? Observation post up. We'll relay any priority sightings.
All for me? I won't get any peace until I shut that down. Let's see if I can do it quietly. Aw, a rooftop party for me? With spotlights and everything?
Take him down, Watch out!
Okay, MJ. I'm a couple blocks away. Let me know if you get into trouble.
Thanks, Pete. Wish me luck. Okay. Norman's penthouse is on the top floor, but the elevator's on lockdown. Need to get into the security room to unlock it.
He'll never survive this. Next election, he'll get destroyed.
Maybe. I've seen Osborn survive worse. He is a cockroach.
There's the security room. But that guard will see me if I go in. Residents are pretty upset. Maybe I can rile them up to create a distraction.
Left my stupid inhaler upstairs.
I heard they'll let you up if you claim special circumstances. A health emergency might do it.
Really? Come on, let's go talk to security. Hey, let us back upstairs. I've got a medical emergency here. Oh man, I can't breathe. Let me back upstairs.
Off limits, ma'am. Every second we stay down here, we risk catching that plague.
Definitely stay away from the receptionist. Been coughing up a storm.
What? They have to let us back upstairs.
Why isn't Osborn down here? This sort of thing never happens to him.
The mayor and his friends are exempt. Security let one of his biggest donors back upstairs right away.
I knew it. It's all one big boys club. Come on.
That should do it.
Jerry, get out here. We got a situation.
Get out here right now.
Security
We're
room's
just as
open.
important as Osborn.
Just need to get to the door without being seen.
Everyone, please stay calm. Sable International has nearly finished their sweep.
That's what you said an hour ago.
I know this...
Hello. I know a few Sable agents who would love to meet you.
Okay, I'm gone.
I like this thing. Gotta turn him around.
The hell was that?
Good boy. I'm sure Sable offers elevator controls in the security room, next to the Sable agent. Mary Jane Watson? Super spy. Time to unlock that elevator. That did it. Norman's clearing out, and the elevator's unlocked. Time to head upstairs. Penthouse elevator. This is it. Norman and Sable, right on cue.
Find the alarm technician. Fire him.
Stupid, useless button. Norman's guards have all cleared out. If he's hiding something up here, I'm gonna find it.
Warning. Fire doors engaged. Automated self-diagnostic commencing. Please remain calm.
What is this thing? Schematics for a prototype combat mask. Looks like it can reveal structural weaknesses.
MJ, Sable presence downstairs just ballooned. I think Norman's being moved. Worried they might spot me.
I might have had something to do with that. Keep your distance. I should be okay for now. Blueprint for the apartment. Tons of empty space right behind the wall with a family portrait. Who leaves space unused in a Manhattan apartment? Doors are locked till the system check finishes. The fabulous Osborn boys. Looks like a boatload of electrical is routed right behind that painting of Norman. It's the combat prototype from the schematic. Whoa, this mask is incredible. Is it showing a door hidden in that wall? I wonder where it leads. Norman bids his son farewell. This must be a secret keypad behind the family portrait. Norman must like spy movies. Need to find the code for that keypad. Scientific journals debating the Spider-Man problem. So weird there's a whole cottage industry focused on explaining Pete's powers. Weirder still that Norman is such an active part of it. Work order for a keypad lock. Looks like he used Harry's last day as the code. That must be the day Harry left for Europe.
Self-diagnostic complete. No faults found. Fire doors disengaged.
Norman could be back any minute. Norman locked up Harry's room. Wants it untouched for when Harry returns from Europe. But where did he put the key? Forgot about this. The Osborns have a coat of arms and a motto. Harry said his mom used to cook all the time. I'd be surprised if this room smells like rich people. Wonder if all this wine is from Norman's vineyard in Burgundy. City's in a state of emergency, but Norman still manages to get his laundry and cleaning done for him. What a hero. God, Pete and I loved coming over here to watch movies when we were kids. A different world from Queens. Funny how Harry always wanted the opposite. Nothing made him happier than Harry's mom, Emily. We used to make fun of him for calling her the prettiest mom at Midtown. Score! This must be the key for Harry's room. What? This can't be for Harry, can it? Harry's journal. His last entry is marked July 18. That must be the code to that room.
I am saying we should not rush off without a plan.
We? You are staying here. The antiserum's ready, and I'm going to supervise production.
You will be completely vulnerable without me.
I seem to be completely vulnerable with you. I'm going alone. End of discussion.
Keep Team 2 on standby. I'm getting some air.
Pete, Norman's cure is ready. He's headed to the lab it's at now. Can you follow?
Not without alerting him. Somebody spiked Sable's coffee today. Her men are set on double secret probation alert.
Okay, then stay ready. I've almost got the location.
Control, grid's clear. Repeat, grid's clear. Control, we're compromised. Hey, who's there? Eyes up, men. Spider-Man's here. What was that?
Okay, July 18. Bingo. Super creepy. Gotta find the location of the Devil's Breath lab. Something in this room must be useful. Norman's got a real mad scientist thing going on.
Norman Osborn.
Harry and Emily's medical records. GR27 was developed to treat them. Devil's Breath is a failed cure for Norman's own family. A child's X-ray, but it's not Harry or Emily. Who is this? That aura around him. Is this Martin Lee?
Norman Osborn. GR27 research log. The whole project has gone to hell.
Spiders. Is Norman trying to reverse engineer Peter's abilities? The labels on these cages. Bioelectrokinesis, optical camouflage? What the hell is he trying to create? Wow. Norman wins the fancy map contest. Looks like Norman's tracking Dr. Michael's move. Huh. Sable troop deployments. They're stationed all over the city. I bet I can find the Devil's Breath lab with this. It must be an Oscorp property with a ton of Sable protection, frequented by Dr. Michaels. None of these patrols cross Dr. Michaels' path. Oscorp building, but no Michaels or Sable. That's not it. Where do these three categories overlap? That must be the lab's location. Bet I'm looking for a heavily guarded Oscorp building that Dr. Michaels visits. Dr. Strom. Isn't he a robotics expert? Commercial buildings. Wow. Bravo, bravo, bravo. And this must be the C team. No movement from Dr. Michaels leads the Devil's Breath team. Oscorp's going all... No. Norman's not good old Alpha team. Devil's Breath should check the patrol routes against Oscorp buildings. A records facility could be... Where do these three categories overlap? Oscorp's going all in on defense research. No. Norman's not crazy enough to keep the anti-serum in a shopping center. A records facility could be perfect cover for the Devil's Breath lab. Good old Alpha Devil's Breath lab must have a GR-27. That's the code name for Devil's Breath. This is it. 10th and Cathedral. Isn't that... I knew it. 10th and Cathedral, Oscorp's records department. Perfect place to hide a secret biotech facility. GR-27 Martin Lee incident. What is this?
And we are rolling. I will be right next door. Just relax and let the medicine do its work.
宝贝，不要担心，不要害怕，妈妈在。
这个会治好的，放心。
你在什么？发生了什么事？怎么可能？给妈妈呼吸！靠！快逃！
I thought this was just a consultation. Boys seemed ready. I'm going in there. No, you can't. It's too late. Make it stop. What have you done?
Oh my god. Norman and Otto. They started all of this. They created Lee. I have to get this. What? No!
Who's there?
Oh no.
Damn it.
We have a breach. High alert.
Pete, I've got the lab location. And a lot more. How far away are you?
2 avenues over. Say the word and I'm there.
Great. Keep the motor running.
Keep searching. We know he's here.
Need to clear that balcony.
Hey! Boss, we got her.
Pete, you here?
Turning off Lex now. Are you okay?
We'll be in a few seconds. Northwest corner. You ready?
Wait, hold on!
It's too late. You're up!
You are crazy.
You're amazing.
It's all so much to take in. Harry sick? Norman and Lee? And Dr. Octavius?
I know.
This is all my fault.
No, not this song again. You are not alone anymore, Pete. Let Miles and me look after Feast. You find Norman. You find the cure.
Thanks, partner. I have to get that anti-serum and start putting things right. There must be some way to reach Leonardo. Convince them to give up this crusade for revenge. They've both done so much good for the world. They can't throw their legacies away just to spite Norman. Okay, Norman's on his way to get the anti-serum. Better update Yuri.
I hope this is good news.
It is. Oscorp just created an anti-serum.
There's a cure? Oh, thank God. How quickly can we get it to people?
I'm on my way to find out. The lab is at 10th and Cathedral.
Wait. I just got a report of a helicopter going down in that area.
Oh no. That could be Norman's helicopter.
I'd send officers your way, but I don't have any.
Don't worry, I'm on it. This'll all be over soon, I promise.